Introducing Anova Sous Vide Cologne.
I get stopped in the streets all the time about my smell. I believe the cologne is literally breathtaking.
For the first time ever, we created a cologne that will match the smell of your kitchen. Never before attempted, never before perfected, until now. Sous Vide Cologne. It's no surprise that everyone loves cooking sous vide. We get asked all the time, when is your new product coming out? And really, nothing makes more sense than a sous vide cologne.
It's great. I love sous vide steak, and now I get to smell like it. 10 out of 10 would recommend.
He said that? It doesn't smell like anything. It's sous vide water.
Anyone and everyone can smell like precision. Get it now before it's gone. For the low price of $41.19 or 2 easy payments of $20.59, you can be the proud owner of Anova's first sous vide cologne. Get it where any and all cologne is being sold. Exclusive pricing at AnovaCulinary.com. Anova sous vide perfume, coming soon.